Hello friends, welcome to the another session of issue of debentures where we are going to learn how to pass the entries related to issue of debenture for purchase consideration other than cash. For consideration other than cash, sorry, not purchase consideration. So अभी तक की entries में हम अभी तक के classes में हमने सीख लिया है how to pass the entries when we are buying any asset and in return we are giving debentures or the part payment is done through cash and the remaining part is paid through issue of debenture at par, at premium or at discount. The second part of the classes were where we had done entries for taking over the business. When we buy any running business, we buy all the assets and liabilities and we issue debenture as purchase consideration. In today's class, what we are going to learn is issue of debenture to the promoters. So when a company starts, so at that time, promoters are the one who do all the preliminary activities and before the company comes into the formation, all the necessary work is done by the promoters. So for their services, promotional cost or whatever promotional cost they incur and all. So for that, company gives them, for the services, company gives them some consideration. So that consideration can be paid in form of debentures or share as well. So in this chapter, we will be studying that how this in this topic we will be studying how that purchase consideration can be paid in form of debentures. Okay, so let us write notes as we have done in all other topics. We will first write some notes regarding this and then we will learn through it in a practical question in a better manner. So first of all, heading issue of debentures to promoters. Like all other cases, here also there can be three ways of doing it: at par, at premium, and at discount. So when we pass first entry, the first entry is, it's what it is, promotional services. So we write either goodwill account or we have an option. Instead of goodwill account, either we write goodwill account debit or we can even write, instead of writing goodwill account, we can write over here incorporation cost, because whatever we are paying to the promoters, that is a part of incorporation cost only. So incorporation, so either of one you can write incorporation cost account debit to promoters. If the name of promoter is given in the question, you will write promoters name. Second entry will be for issue of debentures. So in second entry, promoters will be debited to percentage debenture. This entry is passed when debentures are issued at par. In case debentures are issued on premium, so we'll write promoters account debit to percentage debenture and we'll write to securities premium reserve. This is when debentures are issued at premium. Last case, when debentures are issued at, what is the entry number? Let me check. Entry number is 4. When debentures are issued at discount. So again, promoters will be debited. Discount on issue of debenture account will be debited. To percentage debenture. This is the entry for issue of debenture at discount. So these three cases can be there. This is much simpler. So let us do the question in the next video and understand how the entries are to be passed with the figures. Let's meet in the next video.